This is SUNLU PETG filament in gray. And everything you're seeing here was printed using the same spool. First, let's talk about detail. The time-lapse shows fine-pitch screws and a tall, slim model. Both are challenging prints for PETG due to stringing, wobble, and layer inconsistency. With SUNLU PETG, extrusion is smooth and stable. You can see clean thread profiles, sharp edges, and consistent layer stacking, even on thin walls and long vertical sections. PETG is known for strength, but print quality depends heavily on filament consistency. Here, layer adhesion is strong and uniform, which directly impacts functional parts. In this clip, I'm inserting an M6 male thread into a printed female thread. There's no forcing, no cracking, and no excessive looseness. That tells you two important things. Dimensional accuracy is good, and the material has enough toughness to handle repeated mechanical use. The gray color deserves a mention. It's neutral, evenly pigmented, and hides layer lines better than brighter colors, which makes it ideal for functional or mechanical parts. This filament is 1.75 mm in diameter, with tight tolerance and consistent feeding throughout the entire 1 kg spool. If you print threaded parts, enclosures, caps, or mechanical components, SUNLU PETG is a reliable option that balances strength, printability, and cost. Disclosure. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. Using the link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Check the Amazon link for current pricing and available color options.